Hi, this is Sylvia Gordon with Gordon Marketing. I want to talk to you about cancer insurance. Cancer is something that we all live in fear of, and we really should. In America, a man's chance of getting cancer is 1 out of 2. It's terrible odds. A woman is only slightly better. Your chance of getting cancer in America is 1 out of every 3 women. Of course, some of us have a family history of cancer. We know our individual odds might even be worse. We have a great product at Gordon Marketing that I'm very fond of. I actually bought one myself, and that's a cancer insurance plan. Now, you can be insurance poor. You can insure against everything, and you can be very insurance poor, and I'm not for that. But this is one plan that I really like, and the reason I like it so much, I wish there were more plans like it, is if you don't get cancer, if you don't use your plan, you get all your money back. What could be any better than that? I've never used my homeowner's insurance. I've paid on it for years. I've never had a car claim. I've paid on it for years. I have individual liability, and on and on and on. This plan, if you do not use it, you can get 100% of the premiums you paid in back. So think of it like just like putting money in the bank, just like a savings account. You don't make any money off your savings account. You get a little pitiful interest, and then you have to pay taxes on it. You don't really net anything. So this should be something that you should strongly consider. Cancer is very expensive, even if you have great insurance. And I've talked to a lot of people, they say, you know, my group plan is fantastic. But you still have a deductible. You still have co-insurances, co-pays, limitations. What kind of cancer are you going to get? You might get a cancer that the treatment is not approved in the United States, and you need experimental. It's considered experimental in this country. That's not approved. It might not be approved by Medicare. You might go to Mexico for your treatment because you have a rare form of cancer. You might go to Switzerland. You hear it all the time that people go to another country to get a treatment that's not yet approved here. Your insurance won't pay for that. Medicare won't pay for that. If you have great Medicare insurance, you have a Medicare supplement plan F, which I consider very good coverage, it still has holes in it. It's not going to pay to have your house modified. What if you need a new van? You're in a wheelchair. What if you need a different bathtub? What if you're traveling to the Mayo Clinic? It's not going to cover that transportation. Won't cover the transportation for your family, their stay in a hotel. We have lots of great plans that will cover all those extra out-of-pocket expenses that you have if you get cancer. And if you don't get cancer, you get your money back. Now, depending on how young you are, you can get all your money back every 20 years. You can buy this plan if you're between the ages of 18 and 84. Anytime before the age of 65, you can get all your money back every 20 years. So you buy your plan at 20, you can get all your money back at 40. Your insurance is still going. You haven't stopped your plan. You keep paying in, and you'll get your money back again in another 20 years. If you're 65, I consider this something you definitely need to think about when you retire. Definitely consider buying a plan, because at 65, you can still get 100% of your money back. If you're 66 and older, then you can only get 50% of your money back, which is still great, because if you don't use it, fantastic. You didn't get cancer. Congratulations. And here's 50% of your money back. Call me if you have questions about this cancer plan. I'd love to talk to you more in depth about it. Thank you.